Good morning, dear children. So far, I covered three mains from exercise 4.1. Okay, that is simple equations. Chapter 4, simple equations. In this chapter, in first exercise, that is 4.1, I covered three mains. Now, today I am going to discuss about a fourth main, and if possible, if time permits, I will discuss fifth main also. Okay, the heading of the fourth main is, as I assume that you all possess textbooks, so I am not going to write each and every question on the board. Instead of that, I am going to discuss the solutions. So, fourth main heading, write equations for the following. Fourth main heading, exercise 4.1. Fourth main, write the equation for the following statement. Okay. This is the heading of the fourth main. So what you have to do here, statements are provided, statements will be given to you, and you have to write equation for it. Means we can convert any equation into statement form, and we can convert any statement form into a equation. Okay, so we will see one example, and there are many ways which you can express a given equation in a different form, and even you can express the given equation in different form also. I will show you. Before going to this fourth main, let me take one example. X minus 2 is equal to 8. X minus 2 is equal to 8 is an example of a simple equation. LHS is there, RHS, equality sign, and at least one variable is there, that is x. So it satisfies all the conditions to be called as a equation. Now this is the mathematical form. The mathematical form. Now you can write this equation in words also. 2 subtracted from x gives 8. 2 subtracted from x give 8. It is a statement form. You are saying this mathematical form in words, that's it. 2 subtracted from x gives means equality sign is there, gives what? 8. And in this way you can write the given equation in a different forms. Okay, you can use different words also. You can write, if 2 is removed from the x, it gives 8. This is also one way. Okay, x added by 2 will give you 10. If you move this to minus 2 here, it will become plus, and 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Then you can say, if x is added with a 2, it will give 10. So there are many ways you can interchange the terms, and you can write different forms of a statements also. Rather than going to a more difficult way, we will choose a very easy way. Just what you can see, write that. What you are saying here, no. You have to just write it in words. Remember, gives is nothing but it shows equality sign. Whenever from comes, this will go first. From x means x will come first. Likewise, there are some tricks you can remember. We will discuss one by one questions. Okay. Just to write the mathematical form in a statement form. That's it. First one. The sum of numbers. Sum 4 is 9. Numbers x and oh. This is the statement. Okay. Now we have to convert this into a mathematical form. I hope we can know the sum. Sum means what here? Showing addition. The sum of numbers and 4 is shows what? Is indicate equality sign. 9. Very simple. Sum operation is there. Sum of what number? 4. X and 4 is means equality sign. How much? 9. This is the equation. Okay. Now we are converting the equation. We are writing the equation by reading the statements. We are converting a statement into a equation or mathematical form. Right? Let's go for second one. 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted from y is 8. Look here. 2 subtracted. Subtracted means minus. Okay. Minus operation. From, I told you, whenever from comes from y, so this will come first. Right? From y. From y means y will come first and this will go second. Always remember, whenever from is attached to some letter or number, it will come first. 2 subtracted from y. From y. Is means what? Equal. Is means equal. How much? 8. Very easy. These are the very easiest problems or very simple problems in this exercise. Let's discuss third one. I hope you can see in your textbook. I will just read the statement. 10 times A is 70. 10 times A is 70. 10 times means what? How many times? It always shows into. Remember, 10 times. 10 times. Okay, 10 times. A. 10 times A is 70. Is means equal 70. 10 into A is equal to 70, which is nothing but a 10A into 10A is equal to 70. Even you can write 10A is equal to 70. Or even if you write like this is also fine. This is also correct. Don't worry. 10 into A. 10 times A is 70. Very simple. Fourth one. The number B divided by 5 gives 6. Nodili. The number B divided by 5 gives 6. B ನ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸೈನ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿ you just follow this statement, flow with the statement. How the statement flows? No, likewise you have to write one by one. Or if you are capable of imagining one equation in your mind after reading complete statement, if you are capable to recall the equation, then it is fine. Otherwise you can, while reading the statement, you can write one by one. B, the number B divided by means you have to use this symbol now. The number B divided by 5. The number B divided by 5 gives under equality sign what? Okay, very simple. So fifth one, Fifth one, look here, fifth one, 3/4. 3/4 of a t is 15. 3/4 of a t is a 15. 3/4 means what? 3 by 3/4 of means what I discussed. Of always shows a into 1/4 of 3/4 in the previous lesson. Of always shows into 3/4 of t. 3/4 of instead of into t gives 3/4 of t is means equal is what? 15. 3/4 of t is 15. Sixth, 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. Try to flow with the statement. 7 times m. 7 times m means what? 7m. Or 7 into m. 7 into m will give you 7m only. So 7 times m means 7m. 7 times m plus 7. Plus means what? Addition. Plus 7 gives or gets you 77. These are just different words. Is, gives, gets you, provide. This all shows only one meaning, that is equal. Gets you 77. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. Very easy. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number x. 1/4 of a number x. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Gives means what? Equal 4. Okay. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Very easy to remember. Eighth one. If you take away, what do you mean by take away? Take away means to remove. Remove means what? Subtraction. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. If you take away 6 from, I told you, whenever from comes, after from whichever word is there, it will come first. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, 6 times y means what? 6y. So because of from, it will come first. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, if you take away means subtraction. Take away means subtraction. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. Very easy now. If you take away 6, you take away represents minus. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, gives 60. Last problem, you take it as a homework. 9th one. if you add 3 to if you add a 3 to 1/3 of a z, 1/3 means what here, 1 by 3, 1/3 of a z, you get 30. You try to solve it by yourself. Take a 9th one as a homework. Okay. Next main, you just note down these problems for solutions. Oh. Next main, that is a fifth main. The heading of the fifth main is write the following equations in statement form. Now equations are provided, you have to write it in a statement form. Okay, write the following equations in a statement form. Right. First one, p plus 4. Look, where is it? P plus 4 equal to 15. How to write it in a statement form? Use add for plus, is for equal sign, or gets is for used for equality sign. No. If p is added to 4, if p is added, or p is added to 4, or 4 is added to p, both are same. P is added to 4, it gives 15. It is a one way. Or p adds to 4. Okay, p adds to 4, or p plus 4 gives 15. P plus 4 or p adds to 4 gives you 15. P adds to 4 gives 15. You have to just write it in a statement form. Second one, m minus 7 is equal to 3. Whenever subtraction comes up, you have to use, if 7 is subtracted from m, if 7 m minus 7 equal to 3, 7 subtracted from m gives you 3. 7 subtracted from m gives 3. Okay. Likewise, we have to do one more. Remaining problems I will discuss in a next video. If possible, you try to solve by yourself. Otherwise, I will address remaining problems in a next video. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye.